How to unlock your study IQ, boost your learning potential. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic that will help you unleash your inner genius and take your learning to the next level. In this video, we will explore the concept of study IQ and how you can enhance your academic performance. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Part 1. What is study IQ? To understand study IQ, we need to break it down. Study refers to the act of learning and acquiring knowledge, while IQ stands for intelligence quotient, which measures cognitive abilities. So, study IQ essentially means optimizing your learning process to maximize your intelligence potential. Part 2. Tips to improve your study IQ. 1. Create a study routine. The first step to improving your study IQ is to establish a consistent study routine. Set specific study hours and stick to them. This will train your brain to be receptive and focused during those periods. 2. Set clear goals. Define your study goals and objectives. Whether it's acing an exam, learning a new skill, or mastering a subject, clear goals will keep you motivated and on track. 3. Use active learning techniques. Passive learning can be mundane and less effective. Instead, engage in active learning techniques like note-taking, discussions, and teaching concepts to others. This reinforces your understanding. 4. Utilize technology wisely. Make use of technology to aid your studies. Educational apps, online courses, and digital flashcards can be valuable tools to enhance your learning experience. 5. Practice mindfulness. Practicing mindfulness and meditation can sharpen your focus, reduce stress, and improve memory retention. Take short breaks during study sessions to refresh your mind. Part 3. Techniques for better retention. 1. Spaced repetition. Utilize spaced repetition techniques to review and reinforce learning material at intervals. This method helps retain information in the long term. 2. Mnemonic devices. Mnemonics are memory aids that use patterns, acronyms, or rhymes to help you remember complex information easily. 3. Visual learning. Visual aids like infographics, mind maps, and diagrams stimulate the brain and facilitate better understanding and recall of information. Part 4. The power of curiosity. Curiosity is the driving force behind knowledge acquisition. Cultivate a curious mindset, explore various subjects, and never stop seeking answers to your questions. Part 5. Stay consistent and believe in yourself. Improving your study IQ is a journey that requires consistent effort. Believe in yourself, stay persistent, and remember that every small step contributes to your growth. Remember, learning is a lifelong process, and with the right approach, you can unlock your study IQ potential. Embrace challenges, celebrate your progress, and never stop learning. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more educational content. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep studying smart. If you have any study tips or questions about study IQ, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Stay curious, stay motivated, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy studying! If you like the video, like, share and subscribe to the channel.